Comparative Politics. It's a series of lectures covering the subject of comparative politics. So, in this lecture, we will just uh, introduce what is comparative politics. So, let's start. Comparative politics. It's a field in political science, and to explore the politics, it is a systematic study and a comparison of diverse political systems. The scholars engaged in the field of comparative politics believe that with the help of comparative studies, they cannot get precise description of the phenomena happening around them, whether it is on their local level or at international level. So, comparing the similarities and the differences between the political phenomena across the countries helps the social scientists to assess that which factors plays an important role in which kind of situation to establish a stable political system. So social scientists they stressed on the need of comparison. So how developmental changes, and they study the trends and patterns, and they study the themes like democratization and many others in the comparative politics. So there are three reasons for comparing the studies. Firstly, that we cannot understand one country without the knowledge of the other countries. Firstly, secondly, that we cannot understand other countries without the knowledge of their background, their institutions, and their history. And lastly, we cannot arrive at valid generalizations about the government and the politics without the comparative method. So, comparison has been viewed as a basic function of political science and reliable strategy of research. There are certain definitions, as we know that it is a system study, and we study the diverse groups and cultures and trend studies. These comes under this area. So the how but does not specify the what of the analysis. This is defined by one of the scholar. Secondly, that it involves the systematic study and comparison of the world's political system. It seeks to explain difference between as well as similarities among countries. In contrast to journalistic reporting on a single country, comparative politics is particularly interested in exploring patterns, processes, and regularities among political systems. We are the next, comparative politics involves comparative politics is the study politics in foreign countries. This is very simple definitions, that comparing studying or comparison studying the politics of the different countries. And it is a method study comparison, as said by one of the scholar. Similarly, comparative politics involves both a subject of study foreign countries and a method study comparison. Within political science, comparative politics is a subfield that compares the struggle for power across the country. So, this is a power politics. O'Neill, as suggested by O'Neill, one of the scholar, that within political science, comparative politics is a subfield. So, it is a subfield of political science and of power politics. Thanks. So these are certain definitions which shows that comparative politics is a study of different kinds of parameters, trend studies across the globe. Thank you very much.